First of all, we will create a duplicate layer with Ctrl+J. Change the layer name. Right to convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter, click to open the Camera Raw filter. Then click to Photo Restoration, turn on. Follow the same step, not change the anything. Just click to Scratch Reduction, change the value 5. Hit the Enter. After a little waiting, your image will be Scratch Image Restore. Now I will show you before and after. A black and white image will be colorized. Clicking on the Turn on Colorize plane. Now select the Create New Layer. Then OK. Free transform, Ctrl+T, press hold the Alt key. Again, I will show you before and after final result. Create the group layer, press Ctrl+G, change the layer name. Again, I will show you before and after final result. Subscribe my channel, don't forget press the bell icon. Thank you, bye bye.